Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. I've been sewing clothes this week, so I thought I'd show you some of them. Well, show you all of them actually. And that is a top and trousers, and which you'll probably see me wearing it from time to time. This is crepeback satin, and there's the dressing gown, full length dressing gown, so that's for me, and I'm nearly 6 foot tall, and pyjama bottoms. I haven't got enough of the terracotta left, so I used a piece of brown that I'd got in. This is the satin dressing gown, which matches the trouser bottoms. These are white crushed velvet stretch ski pants from, I think I showed in the last fabric haul. I got 10 meters of it, so this is just one pair, and I will make it up into other things as well. And then these, you can't make it out with that top that's on my dressmaker's dummy, but these are satin stretch satin. I got from a remnant pack, and there was 2 pieces in it, so I've joined them together round about where the knee is and made a pair of ski pants out of it. And you did see them in a haul. I didn't mention it. I did like that fabric. So that's what I've been up to this week.